tum lo pun di sama hari tu kau ni ini tum lo dah tik lo tangan mana dia lo kita alo lo kita pilih ini tum ini nak bukan ini Japan pun lo kita angkat malah ke Japan bak kami dah dapat belum nili ini kan bodi pun jadi dah pilih ini so pakai to Mr. Ning Kathar, Lok Sabha election candidate, Kepajir third SD constituency. Tengok from Inglong Arak Inglong Asong, Iaca, dated 12/3/2024. Demands to go for people of Arideng as ex-militant Kathar. Dear Ning Kathar, congratulations on your candidacy for the Lok Sabha election representing the Aphlc from the third SD constituency. As you embark on this journey, we, the undersigned, wish to highlight several crucial demands that we believe are imperative for the welfare and development of our constituency. Commitment to the people. We demand your unwavering commitment to prioritize the needs and concerns of the people of the 3D2ST constituency. Your role as our elected representative should be driven by the goal of serving the community and addressing their pressing issues. Second, support for ex-militant cadres. The reintegration and rehabilitation of ex-militant cadres are critical for the peace and stability of our region. We urge you to work towards creating sustainable livelihood opportunities, providing access to education and healthcare, and fostering social inclusion for these individuals. Number 3 about infrastructure development. Our constituency lacks basic infrastructure in several areas, including roads, electricity, and healthcare facilities. It is imperative that you advocate for the allocation of funds and resources to address these infrastructure gaps and improve the quality of life for our residents. Number 5 about unemployed generation. Unemployed remains a significant challenge in our constituency, particularly among the youth. We call upon you on prioritize initiative aims at promoting skill development, encouraging entrepreneurship, and attracting investment to create job opportunities locally. Number 6 about transparency and accountability. We expect transparency and accountability in your action and decision as our elected representative, regular communication with constituents, public disclosure of your activities, and adherence to ethical standards are essential for fostering trust and confidence among the electorate. Clause after winning the election. Number 7, upon your successful election as our representative in the Lok Sabha, we accept you to firmly commit to fulfilling the demands outlined in this memorandum. We accepted your active engagement and advocacy on behalf of the people of Arideng and ex-militant cadres of the 3rd D2ST constituency. We trust that you will give due consideration to these demands and incorporate them into your election manifesto and subsequent action if elected. The welfare and the progress of the constituency depend on your sincere efforts and dedication to serving the best interests of the people. Thank you for your attention in this matter, and we look forward to witnessing positive outcomes under your leadership. Thank you, sir. Nilito, pen lo kita ke apa dulu? Kasi lalu kita pada yang pen dulu lagi. Aphan si hijau, ada.